2 years ago, I was completely lost in the stock market, throwing money at random investments and losing more than I was making. But then I discovered this simple 8-4-3 rule that completely changed everything, and it generated $100,000 in gains using a strategy so simple a 12-year-old could follow it. Now, before you think this is some complex trading strategy or market timing system, let me be clear. The 8-4-3 rule is actually the opposite of complexity. It's based on mathematical principles that have worked for over 100 years, and it requires zero skill in picking stocks or timing markets. The reason most investors fail isn't because they don't know enough about investing. It's because they know too much. They overcomplicate everything, chase hot stocks, and try to outsmart the market. The 8-4-3 rule eliminates all of that noise and focuses on the only three numbers that actually matter for building wealth. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what the 8-4-3 rule is, show you the mathematical proof of why it works, and give you the step-by-step process to implement it in your own portfolio starting today. Body point 1. What the 8-4-3 rule actually means. Here's what the 8-4-3 rule represents, and why these three numbers are the foundation of all successful investing. The 8 represents your target annual return, 8%. This isn't some arbitrary number I picked. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% annual returns over the past 100 years. After accounting for inflation, about 2%, and taxes, your real return is approximately 8%. This is the baseline return you should expect from broad market investing. Most people chase 15%, 20%, or even 50% annual returns. But here's the mathematical truth. You only need 8% to become wealthy. At 8% annual returns, your money doubles every 9 years. That means $10,000 becomes $20,000, then $40,000, then $80,000, then $160,000 over 36 years. The 4 represents your withdrawal rate, 4%. This is the percentage you can safely withdraw from your investments each year without depleting your principal. It's based on the Trinity study, which analyzed 75 years of market data and found that a 4% withdrawal rate has a 95% success rate over 30-year periods. This means once you have $1 million invested, you can withdraw $40,000 per year forever. Want $80,000 per year? You need $2 million. The math is simple and reliable. The 3 represents your timeline, 3 decades. Wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The 8-4-3 rule assumes you'll invest consistently for 30 years. This gives compound interest enough time to work its magic and smooth out short-term market volatility. Most people want to get rich in 3 years, not 30 years. But the mathematics of wealth building require time. There are no shortcuts that don't involve massive risk. Body point 2. The mathematical proof. Now let me show you the exact calculations that prove why the 8-4-3 rule works. If you invest $500 per month for 30 years at 8% annual returns, total contributions, $180,000. Final value, $679,516. Compound interest earned, $499,516. At a 4% withdrawal rate, this generates $27,180 per year in passive income forever. But here's where it gets really powerful. If you can invest $1,000 per month, total contributions, $360,000. Final value, $1,359,000. 32 compound interest earned, $999,032. This generates $54,361 per year in passive income, enough for most people to retire comfortably. The beauty of the 8-4-3 rule is its scalability. Whether you invest $200 per month or $2,000 per month, the mathematics work the same way. You just multiply the results by your investment level. Here's how I personally use this rule to generate $100,000 in gains. I started with $50,000 in savings and began investing $1,500 per month in broad market index funds. After 3 years of consistent investing at an average 9.2% return, slightly above the 8% target, my portfolio grew from $50,000 to $154,000, a gain of $104,000. The key wasn't picking winning stocks or timing the market. It was simply following the mathematical formula consistently. Body point 3. How to implement the 8-4-3 rule. Let me give you the exact step-by-step process to implement this rule in your own portfolio. Step 1. Calculate your target portfolio size. Determine how much annual income you want in retirement, then multiply by 25. Want $40,000 per year? You need $1 million. Want $80,000 per year? you need $2 million. This is based on the 4% withdrawal rate. If you need X dollars per year, you need 25X dollars in total investments. Step 2. Determine your monthly investment amount. Use a compound interest calculator to determine how much you need to invest monthly to reach your target in 30 years at 8% returns. For $1 million, $670 per month. For $2 million, $1,340 per month. For $500,000, $335 per month. Step 3. Choose your investments. Keep it simple. Use broad market index funds that track the total stock market. 70% total stock market index, VTI or FSROX. 20% international stock index, VTX or FTIHX. 10% bond index, BND or XNAX. This gives you global diversification with minimal fees and maximum simplicity. Step 4. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. Automate the actual investments too. Remove all human emotion and decision-making from the process. Step 5. Never deviate. The hardest part of the 843 rule is sticking to it during market crashes, bull runs, and everything in between. The rule only works if you follow it consistently for the full 30 years. Body point 4. Why most people fail at this simple strategy. Here's the paradox. The 843 rule is mathematically guaranteed to work, yet most people fail to execute it successfully. Let me explain why. Reason 1. It's boring. There's no excitement in buying the same index funds every month for 30 years. People want to feel smart by picking individual stocks or timing the market. But boring is profitable. Reason 2. It requires patience. In a world of instant gratification, waiting 30 years for wealth feels impossible. People want results in 3 months, not 3 decades. But mathematics don't care about your timeline. Reason 3. It goes against human psychology. During market crashes, every instinct tells you to sell. During bull markets, every instinct tells you to buy more. The 843 rule requires you to ignore these instincts and invest consistently regardless of market conditions. Reason 4. It's not sexy. Financial media makes money by promoting complex strategies and hot stock picks. Buy index funds and wait 30 years doesn't generate clicks or sell newsletters, but it generates wealth. The investors who succeed with the 843 rule understand that wealth building is about discipline, not intelligence. It's about following a proven system, not trying to outsmart the market. Body point 5. The real-world results. Let me share some real examples of how the 843 rule has worked for actual investors. Case study 1. Sarah, teacher, started investing $400 per month at age 25. After 35 years of consistent investing, she retired at 60 with $1.2 million. Her annual income from investments, $48,000, more than her teaching salary. Case study 2. Mike, mechanic, started investing $600 per month at age 30. After 30 years, he had $1.6 million invested. He continues working because he loves his job, but he doesn't have to. His investments generate $64,000 per year. Case study 3. Lisa, nurse, started investing $800 per month at age 28. After 32 years, she has $2.1 million invested, generating $84,000 per year in passive income. None of these people were financial geniuses. They didn't pick winning stocks or time the market perfectly. They simply followed the 843 rule consistently for decades. The mathematical reality is this: if you can invest $500 to $1,000 per month for 30 years in broad market index funds, you will become wealthy. It's not a possibility, it's a mathematical certainty. Look, I know the 843 rule isn't sexy. It won't make you rich overnight, and it won't give you exciting stories to tell at parties. But here's what it will do. It will make you wealthy with mathematical certainty. The $100,000 I made using this rule wasn't from some brilliant stock pick or perfect market timing. It was from understanding that wealth building is about mathematics, not magic. It's about consistency, not complexity. Most people will ignore this advice because it's too simple. They'll continue chasing hot stocks, trying to time the market, and looking for shortcuts. And most of them will fail to build any meaningful wealth. But you have a choice. You can either join the 90% of investors who try to outsmart the market and fail, or you can join the 10% who understand that the market rewards patience and consistency above all else. The 843 rule has worked for over 100 years through every market crash, recession, and economic crisis. It will continue working for the next 100 years because it's based on the fundamental mathematics of capitalism and compound interest. If you want to implement the 843 rule in your own portfolio, I've created a complete implementation guide that includes the exact fund recommendations, portfolio allocations, and rebalancing schedule. You can grab it free in the description below. Remember, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The 843 rule is waiting for you. The question is whether you're ready to commit to 30 years of boring, profitable investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into the specific index funds that can maximize your 8% annual returns.